Guys, welcome to another piano lesson. And so today I'll be teaching how to play Jesus Ommeka Nnaya by Mercy Chinwo in the key of C. Alright, so I play it, then I put you through how to play it in a very simple manner. Alright. Alright guys, so that was like a breakdown of the song. So it's a very simple one. Alright, so the intro of the song. Alright, I'm just like playing the main part of the song. Okay, so I started with Jesus Ommeka Nnaya. Alright, so I played this. Alright, that's G octave. Then I came to the 9. Alright, so it's like the 9 that I'm playing, C major 9, added 9, alright? Okay? Mi, fa, mi, re, do, do. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. Alright? So you can. Okay? So, fa, mi, re. Okay, so I'm still working on the right hand. So, Jesus. Okay. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi. So, fa, mi, re. Okay. Okay, go to la, la, fa, so, fa, mi, re. Okay. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so that's like a rundown of that one. Okay, I take it again. So if you want to play it normally without putting the melody, it's like 1, the chord progression is Jesus, Jesus, Ommeka Nnaya. I'm still on 1, C major. I worship. Go to 2. Alright, so this 2, I'm using the second inversion. That's Z minor. Jesus, Ommeka Nnaya, I worship you today. 2, Jesus, Ommeka Nnaya. 5, G major, I worship you, and 1, oh, this. So anyone you choose. So I was using bars here. So all the chords you make. Jesus, Ommeka Nnaya, I worship you today. Jesus, Ommeka Nnaya, I worship you today. Jesus, 1, 2, 2, 5, and 5 and 1. Okay, so that's it for that. So so that one is there's a bit of transition there and a chord passing chord. Okay, so I was doing some. Alright, so do re mi, so do re mi re. Okay, so do re mi do ti la, with the left, with the right rather. So you do that with the right. Okay, so with the left you move from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so I combine the two, you see. Okay, so when you move, we reach the 4, you go to the 6. Okay, now okay, go to the 5 and 1. Alright, so something of that sort. Okay, so that's a breakdown of the song. I hope you learned something. Alright, so do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.